In today's video, we're gonna create some more fall decor, but I guarantee you these are some designs that you've never seen before.
Yeah, right.
Let's get into it. Just a quick heads up, I am gonna be leaning on my laser quite a bit for these projects for time's sake only. All of these templates are available on our website, and they're really easy to cut out with a bandsaw, scroll saw, or jigsaw. Project number one is going to be a piece of wall decor. I started with a piece of 1/2" plywood, and I used a screw, some string, and a pencil to draw a 16" circle, and then I used the jigsaw to cut it out. I used the level to mark out some parallel lines and then used my Kreg AccuCut to score each line, only going about 1/8 inch deep. The Kreg AccuCut is a great alternative to a track saw. It comes with an adapter that can attach to most circular saws. It's very easy to use and very affordable. I'll leave a link to it in the description so you can check it out. Once that was done, I gave it a light sanding and applied some white spray paint. Then I went over it with a coat of black. While that was drying, I fired up the We Create Vision Pro and started cutting out some templates that I had created. Like I said, you don't have to have a laser, but it just helps when I'm pressed for time. It's like having an extra set of hands. With all my cutouts done, I used some art markers to color them. I like using art markers on these projects because they absorb into the wood like stain, so you can still see the wood grain. They're also really easy to blend with. With all the pieces colored, I gave the circle a quick sanding to let some of that white come through for more of a rustic look, and added some hanging hardware to the back. Then it was just a matter of arranging the cutouts and attaching them to the circle. A couple of things here. Originally, I had designed this to be a wall hanger with a phrase in the middle, but obviously the design is too big and took up too much space. So I thought about shrinking everything down, but when my wife saw it all laid out, she said she liked it just the way it was, so there you go. Hit the link below and grab a set of the templates so you can try your hand at it and create your own version. Project number two is going to be a piece of tabletop decor. I stuck a piece of 3/4 inch pine into the Vision Pro and engraved my design onto it. Once it was done, I headed over to the scroll saw to cut it out. As you can see, I ran into a bit of a snag with a piece breaking off, but nothing a little glue can't fix. Then I set to work coloring it with the art markers. For the base, I cut a piece of 1x4 to just a little longer than my cutout and used my router to put a chamfer along one edge. With both pieces complete, I attached the cutout to the base with some glue and brad nails. As you can see, I ended up staining the base just to add a little bit of contrast to this, but I really like the way that it came out. Everything for both of these pieces is my original artwork that I designed myself. I just wanted something a little different than what we've been seeing in the store lately. Like I said before, all of the designs are available on our website, so if you're interested in building these yourself, just hit the link below. A special thank you to all our Grove members who continue to support our channel, and thank you to all of you for watching. As always, be safe and have a great day.